If you look at our vision, it says to be the preferred healthcare provider, not in Nigeria, globally. For close to 30 years, Fidson Healthcare PLC has been at the forefront of redefining the healthcare delivery landscape in Nigeria. We're committed to improving access to healthcare by providing quality healthcare products at affordable prices. We have a CGMP and WHO compliant manufacturing facility here at Ota in Ogun State, which is situated on over 40 acres of land. We boast of manufacturing capability in over 10 distinct dosage forms, ranging from tablets, capsules, ointments and creams, large volume parenterals, small volume parenterals, ampoule injections, and ophthalmic products. We are a one-stop pharmaceutical manufacturing center in West Africa. To cater to the Nigerian needs, we have actually added more lines to our existing lines. If I take large volume parenterals, for instance, we've added 2 more blow-fill-seal machines in addition to the existing 2, making 4, just to increase our capacity to cater to the Nigerian market and beyond the Nigerian shores as well. We have also recently started our ophthalmic range. We are the first to actually manufacture these ranges in Nigeria. We have a series of products registered on that line, and we do manufacture different products ranging from anti-allergy, anti-glaucoma. The range is endless on the ophthalmic line. To expand our current manufacturing capacity, one of the initiatives that we've taken is the addition of 2 more blow-fill-seal machines. This has increased our capacity to 120 million units per annum. With a capacity of 87 million units per annum, this is poised to be the biggest yet in the whole of Nigeria. We're an environmentally responsible and safety-conscious organization that ensures that the impact of our operations on the environment is minimal. We have deliberate measures put in place to ensure that these goals are met. Number 1, we have an effluent treatment plant that ensures that all the wastewater that comes from our manufacturing is actually treated before being let out into the lanes. Periodically, we check these effluents to ensure that the effluent is within permissible limits for different chemicals. We also do air sampling to ensure that our activity is not polluting the environment in which we're in. When it comes to energy, our go-to source is either the national mains or gas. It's only when these 2 are not available that we turn to diesel. So we have a built-in deliberate approach to protect the environment as an organization. What are the next steps, or what does the future hold for us at Fidson? We're going to harness our strength in the sterile area. We're looking at going into vaccine manufacturing, and by 2025, the empty hard gelatin capsule factory will be up and running, first of its kind in Nigeria, and will be the second in Africa. We're looking at conquering that feat. So we've always said at Fidson that we never do things looking at the local terrain. We always want to be at par with our global peers anywhere in the world. Therefore, technology has actually taken a good part of what we're doing. If you look at our upgrades across the factory, we're investing in latest technologies, minimal impact between man and product across all ranges. So across our factory, you'll see a lot of these machinery upgrades just to go with world best practices and to leverage on the technologies available this far. Another thing that we've done is our partnership with different multinationals that has really improved on our QMS due to the consistent audits that is being done, and us putting in corrective actions to address those deficiencies that are spotted during audits. And of course, we can't underestimate the support by NAFDAC. They have been of tremendous help. Recently, to upgrade to their ML4 status, Fidson was one of the few companies that were chosen as a showcase for the audit to upgrade NAFDAC from ML3 to ML4. And so putting all this together, we believe we're on the right path towards achieving this global status.